Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Ninja's YouTube channel. This is Trupti, and in this video I'll be discussing 5 things to do when you're bored. So these are some things that we miss out on during our normal lives when we are, normally doing work or studying or things like that. So these are the 5 things that will actually help you reconnect with yourself and, explore more. So without any further ado, let's start. So the first thing is going to be reconnect or connect with your friends and family. So that is something at times, because of the hustle culture that we are part of, we're always running behind things, we're always trying to achieve something. So because of that, at times we do not get the time. Just maybe sit with your family, have a cup of tea with your mom, have a cup of tea with your whole family, have some chit chats, have lunch and dinner with them. At times we just end up eating alone because of the schedule we have, but it's definitely good to connect with them and also your friends, because you never know, people are going through tough times, so maybe connecting with them, talking with each other makes you feel better. So this is one thing. Second on the list is going to be make time for your hobbies. That is, if you're bored, just go and do whatever you like. If you like playing guitar, just do that. If you like probably playing a particular sport, do that. If you like singing, if you like painting, anything, literally anything, reading, anything, even binge watching series, anything, make sure whatever you like, you're doing that. Because there are very few times when you get this time of being bored, because at a lot of times you get stressed about achieving stuff, so it's better to just relax a little bit and make sure you make time for your hobbies. Third thing is going to be a very different thing, which is maybe watching tech talks of other people or success stories of other people, or even failure stories of other people. So that way it kind of motivates you, it gives you insights on and different perspectives, because when you watch that things, you realize, okay, this is how the other person is, this is what helped him or her in particular, and this is what resulted in failure for him or her. So you can probably learn some things from that, and you can feel motivated. You can learn some other things you can actually implement in your own life. So this is a very good thing that you can do, and it's a good passive time. Or you can even watch stand-up comedies, because yeah, who doesn't want to laugh? So now the next point is going to be go for a walk or exercise. Basically just exercise, because if I talk about us, like people who are studying or you're sitting on the table and chair and just doing stuff and whatever, so that is not very healthy for our body to sit for so long hours. So it's whenever you're getting time, and if you're bored, please make sure you go exercise or you go for a walk, anything that you would like to do. Because even exercising makes you feel good, you don't realize it, but once or whenever you exercise, you feel a little happy, you feel fresh, your mind feels a little happy and fresh. So that is something that you should definitely do for your brain as well as for your complete body. So it's like for overall health. Next, the last thing is going to be organize your workspace, or maybe organize your wardrobe, anything. So I'm emphasizing on workspace, because at times when we are working, it becomes a complete mess. And this is one thing: if your workspace, wherever you work, where you will study, if it's clean, if it's fine, you like sitting there, maybe put some good things over it. Like for myself, if I talk about in particular, I have a habit of probably putting some quotes, writing, not anything fancy, just writing some things down on a piece of paper and putting it over the wall, maybe, or the table, anything. So things like that make you want to sit there and study at that place. So yeah, these were the 5 things that I think you should do or you can do when you're bored. And that's it from my side, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching it.
Hi there, we hope you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.